Hey guys, if you found this video helpful then please don't forget to like and share it. Also, if you are still not subscribed to the channel then don't go without pressing the subscribe button. How to make $60–100 every day, make money online. I'm going to start here because blogging has become my primary income source and the foundation of several other income streams. But don't worry if you don't have or want your own blog or website. There are many ways to earn money online, either using someone else's blog or website or even without blogs or websites at all. Number 1. Google AdSense. This is the most basic income source for most blogs, especially when you first start out. What makes it so attractive is its simplicity. All you need to do is sign up for the program, and Google will provide the ads to your website. They'll provide you with codes that you'll paste into your website, and you'll be on your way. They'll even customize the ads based on the content of your blog. Best of all, you can add AdSense to your blog at any point. Even if you're just getting only a few hundred page views per month, AdSense will enable you to earn a few dollars. The catch is you won't be paid until your AdSense revenue reaches at least $100. But once you get to a few thousand page views per month, you'll be easily topping $100. And, as your blog continues to grow, eventually you can reach $100 every day, at least on an average basis. Number 2. Text links. This is another popular income source for blogs. For me, text links were the second source of $100, after AdSense. A text link is a link to another website that you include in an article on your blog or website. They're literally everywhere on the web, and it's basically how blogs and websites link together. There are companies, businesses, and websites willing to pay you $100 or more to include a link in an article on your website. The article will be related to the linking website, which is why they'll pay you to include it. It's not a good long-term strategy, however. Google is not fond of text links, and if you add too many, your site will be penalized and lose traffic. Add these only sparingly. If you're adding multiple text links each month, it'll just be a question of time before your web traffic tanks. Number 3. Sponsored posts. Sponsored posts work much like text links. A third party pays you for an article with a link back to their website. They may supply the article as well. Other times, they may request you write an article related to their website and then include a link back to their site. You'll probably get only $100 or $200 early on. But as your web traffic grows, you'll eventually be able to charge several $100s and even more than $1,000 for a single article. My recommendation is that you also keep sponsored posts very limited on your site. In addition, the sponsors should represent products and services you believe in and feel comfortable endorsing. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is practically the holy grail of blogging. However, it works only if you have a significant amount of traffic to your site. In most cases, you'll need at least 30,000 to 40,000 page views per month for it to work. But, as your traffic grows, your affiliate marketing revenue can skyrocket. Affiliate marketing works by writing a product or service review on your website. The company behind the product or service has an affiliate program, trust me. There are hundreds, probably thousands of companies that do, under which they'll pay you each time they make a sale from a referral from your website. It can be a few dollars or more per sale, or it can be based on some sort of percentage formula. But, if your blog or website has a lot of traffic, and the product or service is popular, you can start seeing hundreds or thousands of dollars in revenue coming to your website each month. Affiliate marketing alone can easily get you to $100 per day online. Number 5. Display ads. If you've seen ads on any sites, you already have a basic picture of how this works. You have a blog or a website, and a third party is willing to pay you for advertising space on your site. It may pay you a flat monthly fee, or a few dollars each time someone clicks through from the ad on your site to the sponsor's website. It can be seriously lucrative once your site has a lot of traffic. And perhaps best of all, the income will be completely passive. Once you place the ad on your site, there's nothing more you need to do. Number 6. Getting new clients for your business. If your website is designed specifically for your business, this is the outcome you're going for. Even a blog can be an excellent source of new clients and customers for your business. It can serve as a platform where you demonstrate your expertise, which will eventually bring in paying clients. As a financial planner, I started my blog with the main intention of using it as a marketing tool to get new clients for my practice. It worked better than I expected. As the blog grew, so did my practice. It enabled me to reach new clients I wouldn't have gotten otherwise. Thanks for watching.